What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo and this is my channel, Mo Nation. So this video we're doing a wash and wax and a standard interior cleaning on one of my dream cars. I really want to own one of these. Pretty dusty, it's dirty on the outside, a little dirty on the inside. Not too bad though, nothing that I can't handle, and the cleaning is within the standard interior cleaning. So we're gonna knock the inside out first, and then we're gonna move on to the outside. We're gonna be using, we'll see if we get these wheels looking real good, because yeah, we gotta get that looking better. You see the brakes are dirty. What color? Okay, the wheels are like silver. You'll probably see my videos, or if you've been watching me for a while. So we do a full decon on the outside, and then we're just gonna lay down some good protection, a sealant that's gonna last between 3 to 6 months. So that is, I have different tiers when it comes to the exterior protection. So the wash and wax is first, then the paint enhancement, then the correction. And then once you move on from when you get to a paint enhancement, that comes with a 1-year protection, and so does the corrections. But let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna blow out all this cracks. We're gonna blow everything to the front first. I'm gonna start from the back and work my way up front. 5. So anytime that I do interiors, whether it's a standard interior or not, I still kind of use brushes to kind of get into the cup holders and some of the cracks and crevices, just to because it's just better than spraying and wiping. It helps me agitate it, and it looks a lot better, right? So I got my vacuum on like a 50-foot hose, and I have two vacuums. I have one that's on a 50-foot hose, and then I have the other one that I sometimes put on my cart now. The one on the 50-foot hose is the one that I use for my extractor now. Now, people always want to know, because it's on a 50-foot hose, does it mess up the suction? And the answer to that question is, it kind of loses some suction, but it's really not that much. As long as you keep the filter and everything clean, you're good. So like, I'm able to still come in here and vacuum up everything like normal. Now, like this other stuff right here, this stuff is in the carpet, so I need to come with my I need to come with my drill gun and kind of just agitate that on my air compressor. But even on a 50-foot hose, I think it's a 5 horsepower vacuum, one of the rigids. It still works good. So before I do the wheels, they're pretty bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them off first, and then proceed to do them. Look at that. All that, hey. See all that blackness? That comes from the wheel. That's not chemicals. It all comes from the wheel. So sometimes I'll try to do this, but all that comes from the wheel. It really needs like a paint enhancer to help clean the paint up even more, because the paint's pretty rough. And the wash and wax is more so like a it's more so like a maintenance type of package, I guess you could say, for the exterior. And the thing is, like, I could try to like upsell it, but then I don't too much like upselling, and then I come prepared for exactly whatever the customer booked for. So I didn't bring none of the stuff for paint enhancement anyway. This one was kind of difficult to record because of how hot it was. My camera kept overheating, and I broke my mic. But it turned out really good. This one really needs like a good paint correction. So when I tell y'all, sometimes you gotta worry about the quality of the detail and not worry about how much time you're taking. Sometimes you gotta sacrifice time. This is a tip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The customer tipped me $120. That's crazy. And I charged him $275 for that gold package. So altogether he paid around $390 or something like that, with $275. Yeah, altogether he paid around like $390 altogether with the tip, and I stayed there for about 4 hours doing that. So it was pretty much worth it. It's almost $100 an hour. So